So now that your chair properly fits you, we want to make sure you and your chair are properly fitting your work surface. The first thing you want to do is make sure that your elbow rests are at the exact same height as your work surface. So if they aren't at the exact same height, you may want to adjust the seat height of your chair up or down slightly to make sure that they are equal. If you find after adjusting your chair to accommodate the work surface, your feet are no longer firmly planted on the ground, you may want to get a footrest in order to support your feet comfortably. Now that you're set up properly with your work surface, we want to set up the equipment on the work surface so that they're all within easy reach. There are two things you need to look for. Setting up your work surface in a semicircle type of arrangement where the immediate semicircle in front of you, you want to put equipment you use regularly, such as your keyboard and your mouse, where you're doing a lot of those repetitive tasks. So set that up so that while you're using your keyboard and mouse, you can use them without your arms leaving the armrests. The next thing you want to do is look at your farther semicircle that should be in front of you but within one arm's reach away. In this semicircle, you want to put things that you use regularly but not constantly, such as a calculator, a telephone, your stapler, those sorts of items. You want to make sure that in that one arm's reach of a semicircle, your telephone is on your dominant side. If you're right-handed, put it on the right. If you're left-handed, put it on the left. You want to make sure that when you're on the telephone, try very hard not to hold your telephone between your ear and your shoulder. This is really bad for the muscles in your neck and could put you at risk for injury over time. If you find yourself needing your hands free while on the telephone, you may want to consider getting a headrest to allow you to have both hands free to do any work on the computer while you're on the telephone. The next thing you want to do is adjust the monitor height. When you're sitting comfortably in your chair and you're properly adjusted, the height of your monitor should be such that when you're looking straight, eye level should be looking at the top third of your screen. If you're not looking at the top third of the screen, you may want to adjust the monitor up or down slightly to make that adjustment.